Natural Resources Private Limited.
Welcome students to an enriching learning journey ahead with Woodapple Resources. Class 2 EVS. I'm your teacher Vani. Here are your friends.
I am Bhupi. I am Abby.
Dear students, today I am going to teach you Chapter 12, Mother Earth. Hello dear children. Are you ready for an exciting journey through the different features of our planet? Let us start with this interesting riddle. I will give you some clues and you have to guess the correct name. It is a little green and brown but more blue. Its shape is a sphere and it is the only planet with life.
It is Earth.
Correct. Students, let us explore more about our planet, Earth, with an alien Jojo and a boy Titu.
Who is an alien?
An alien is a creature who lives on another planet and does not belong to Earth. Jojo landed on the surface of the Earth and started moving around. When he was moving on the Earth, he met a boy Titu. Titu welcomed Jojo and they became good friends. Let us see their conversation. When I was flying, I saw a huge ball which was green, blue and brown in color. What was it?
This is our planet Earth. Its shape is sphere. That is why it looks like a ball. It is the only planet with life.
I saw that somewhere the Earth has deep oceans, while somewhere it has high mountains. I'm curious to know about the different features of the Earth.
The natural features of the surface of the Earth are called landforms. The land on which you are standing is called a plain. A plain is a landform that has a broad area of flat land. This landform is mostly suitable for living and for agricultural purposes.
अर्थ की सतह पर कहीं ऊंचे पहाड़ तो कहीं गहरे समुंदर हैं। अर्थ पर पाए जाने वाली इन प्राकृतिक रचनाओं को लैंडफॉर्म्स कहते हैं। अर्थ की समतल चौड़ी सतह को प्लेन या हिंदी में मैदान कहते हैं।
I have seen somewhere that the land is higher than the surrounding areas. What is this?
A piece of land that is higher than the surrounding area is called a hill. Hills are naturally raised and uneven areas have a rounded or gentle slope. The average height of the hills is 1000 feet. The weather is very pleasant on the hills. People enjoy visiting hill stations during the summer. At some places, the land of the earth is very high. It is called a mountain. A large landform that is especially raised above the ground or other surface is called a mountain. The tip of the mountains is usually pointed, which is known as a peak. The average height of the mountains is 2000 feet. Mountains are very cold as they are usually covered with snow. The Himalayas are the highest mountain ranges in the world. And the highest peak of the Himalayas is Mount Everest. The long, narrow, low land between two hills is called a valley. Typically, a river or stream flows through a valley. Gulavat Lotus Valley near Gulavat village in Hatod, Tehsil, Indore district is the largest lotus valley in Asia. Apart from this, the most well-known valleys in India are the Silent Valley, which is located in Kerala, and the valleys of Kashmir.
हिल या पहाड़ अर्थ की सतह से ऊंचे होते हैं। बहुत ऊंचे पहाड़ को माउंटेन या पर्वत कहते हैं। पर्वत का ऊपरी नुकीला भाग चोटी कहलाता है। पहाड़ों या पर्वतों के बीच निचली भूमि का क्षेत्र जिसमें नदी बहती है वैली या घाटी कहलाता है।
A flat surface on the top of a mountain that has steep sides is called a plateau. The well-known plateaus in India are the Deccan Plateau, the Malwa Plateau, and the Ladakh Plateau. A plateau, also called a high plain or a tableland.
Why does the earth look blue?
3 parts of the earth are covered with water bodies, which make it blue. The water bodies are ponds, rivers, lakes, seas, waterfalls, and oceans. The fresh water comes from rain. Rainwater falls from the sky and fills bodies of water. The snow on mountains melts in the summers and adds water to the rivers. The highest waterfall in India is the Kunchikal waterfall in Karnataka.
There is lots of water present on earth. Then why it is said that there is problem of water scarcity on the earth? Seas and oceans are large water bodies. The water in the seas and oceans contains salt, so we cannot use it for drinking or other household tasks. Lakes and ponds are small water bodies. A pond is even smaller than a lake. The water in rivers, lakes and ponds also gets polluted because of human activities.
पर्वतों की समतल सतह को पठार कहते हैं। अर्थ के 3 पार्ट्स पर पानी होने के कारण अर्थ ब्लू दिखाई देती है। तालाब अर्थ की सबसे छोटी वाटर बॉडीज होती हैं और समुद्र सबसे बड़ी। समुद्र का पानी खारा होने के कारण पीने या दूसरे कामों में उपयोगी नहीं होता।
Why the land of earth looks brown at some places?
The land of earth looks brown at some places because of sand. The brown dry area of flat land on the earth that is covered with sand is called a desert. People used camels for transportation in deserts, as the feet of the camels are padded and do not sink in sand. In deserts, the land is very dry because it receives low amounts of rain and often has little vegetation coverage. The days are very hot and the nights are very cold in the desert. Cactus, date, palm are some of the trees that grow in desert. The Thar Desert of Rajasthan is the most well-known desert in India.
अर्थ के रेत से ढके भाग को डेजर्ट या हिंदी में रेगिस्तान और मरुस्थल कहते हैं। एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने के लिए रेगिस्तान में ऊंट का उपयोग किया जाता है। कम वर्षा होने के कारण मरुस्थल सूखे रहते हैं। कैक्टस, डेट, पाम आदि पेड़ यहाँ ग्रो होते हैं।
To study about the earth, we use a globe. A globe is a small model of the earth. The blue part of the globe shows the water bodies, especially the oceans, while the green part shows the land. The globe serves a purpose similar to maps, but studying the earth using a globe is quite interesting and easier, as the globe indicates the exact spherical shape of the earth. Students observe the small green patches of land in the blue oceans. These small patches display beautiful pieces of land in the oceans. An island is a piece of land that is completely surrounded by water. Andaman and Nicobar Islands are a group of islands in India. Your earth is very beautiful and green, but why it has lost its beauty in some places?
Earth is not as beautiful as before because of humans. Cutting down trees, throwing garbage in water bodies, and emitting smoke from factories and vehicles caused pollution of the air and water. Because of this pollution, the earth is becoming dirty, and animals and plants are dying. So it is our duty to take care of the earth and make it beautiful. For this, we should avoid such activities that harm the earth and plant more trees.
अर्थ की स्टडी करने के लिए हम ग्लोब का यूज करते हैं। ग्लोब अर्थ का स्मॉल मॉडल होता है। आइलैंड लैंड का वह पीस होता है जो चारों ओर से पानी से घिरा होता है। अर्थ को सुंदर साफ बनाए रखने के लिए हमें पानी और हवा को साफ रखना चाहिए। पेड़ों को नहीं काटना चाहिए, अधिक पेड़ लगाने चाहिए।
Let us review what we have learned today. The shape of the earth is a sphere. It is green, brown and blue. Earth is the only planet on which humans can live. Natural features of the surface of the earth are called landforms. A plain is a landform that has a broad area of flat land. A naturally raised and uneven area of land that is higher than the surrounding area is called a hill. A large landform that is especially raised above the ground or other surface is called a mountain. The long, narrow, low land between two hills is called a valley. The flat land with steep sides is called a plateau. The dry area of flat land on the earth that is covered with sand is called a desert. 3 parts of the earth are covered with water bodies, which make it blue. The water bodies are ponds, rivers, lakes, seas, and oceans. A piece of land that is surrounded by water from all sides is called an island. The earth is losing its beauty because of human activities like cutting down trees, throwing garbage into bodies of water, and creating smoke from factories and vehicles. To keep the earth beautiful, we all should take care of it and avoid activities that harm it. Thank you for joining us. Keep learning and exploring with Wood Apple Resources.